Good day, sir. We will be discussing the Chapter 6, the AFP-PNP National and Local Level of Crisis Management, Organization, and Introduction to Hostage-Taking Situation. And here is the learning objectives. And first is the Philippine National Police. The Philippine National Police, or PNP, is the civilian national police force of the Philippines. It originated from the Philippine Constabulary, or PC, which was inaugurated on August 8, 1901 as an insular police force under the American regime. Then on August 8, 1075, under the Presidential Decree number 765, the Philippine Constabulary Integrated National Police was established on the country's national police force. These fragmented and diverse local police units were integrated into a national police force with the Philippine Constabulary as its nucleus. Power and function of PNP. According to Section 24 of Department of Interior and Local Government Act of 1990, PNP have the following power of functions: enforce all laws and ordinances related to the protection of lives and properties, maintain peace and order, and take all necessary steps to ensure public safety, investigate and prevent crimes, effect the arrest of criminal offenders, bring offenders to justice, and assist in their prosecution, and exercise the general powers to make arrest, search, and seizure in accordance with the Constitution and pertinent laws. Detain an arrested person for a period not beyond what is prescribed by law, informing the person so detained of all his or her rights under the Constitution, issue licenses for the possession of firearms and explosive in accordance with law, supervise and control the training and operation of security agencies, and issue licenses to operate security agencies and to secure guards and private detectives for the practice of their possessions, and perform such other duties and exercise other functions as may be provided by law. Armed Forces of the Philippines. The Armed Forces of the Philippines, or AFP, it is the military force of the Philippines that is responsible for upholding the sovereignty of the country, supporting its constitution, and defending its territory against all enemies. According to the Executive Order number 292 of 1987, the functions of the AFP are the following: upholding the sovereignty, support and constitution, and defend the territory of the Republic of the Philippines against all enemies, foreign and domestic. Promote and advance the national aims, goals, interests, and policies. Plan, organize, maintain, develop, and deploy its regular and citizen reserve forces for national security, and perform such other functions as may be provided by law or assisted by higher authorities. Philippine Army. The Philippine Army, or PA, is the principal and oldest branch of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, or AFP. It is responsible for defending the country through land, combat, and operation. The functions of the Philippine Army are organize, train, and equip for the conduct of prompt and sustained operations on land. Prepare such units as may necessary for the effective prosecution of the national defense plans and programs and armed forces missions, including the expansion of the peacetime army component to meet any emergency and develop in coordination with the other major services, tactics, techniques, and equip of interest to the Army for field operations. Organize, train, and equip all Army Reserve unit and perform such other functions as may be provided by law or assigned by higher authorities.
Philippine Navy. The function of Philippine Navy are organize, train, and equip forces for prompt and sustained naval operation. The naval unit is applicable for enforcing the laws upon the Philippine seas and water. It navigates the safety of life at seas, immigration, customs, revenues, narcotics, quarantines, finishing, and neutrality of the territorial contiguous water of the Philippines. Next is Philippine ABSI Group, ensuring the security and safety of the country's airport, securing all airports against an offensive and terroristic acts, exercising operation, control, and supervision. Their function is to conducting special operation involving aircraft assault and other related activities. It also provides first responder actions on bombed IED and hazardous materials, conducting post-blast investigation and overt and covert intelligence operation. Next is PNP-SAF. PNP-SAF is an elite counter-terrorist unit trained to handle high-risk operation. Next is a maritime group, formerly known as a PNP Marine Command or MARICOM, responsible for maintaining peace and order in the Philippine country's territorial water. Next is Philippine Naval Special Warfare Group or PNSWG. It is a Philippine Naval's elite special forces unit trained in special operation, sabotage, psychological warfare, and unconventional warfare. The next is Philippine Air Force Special Operation Wings or SPAW. Is a highly trained unit in specializing in unconventional warfare, counter-terrorist, and special operation. AFP and PNP Company Detachment. According to the Crisis Management Manual of 2000, the AFP and PNP Company Detachment in Philippine National Police of a Regional, the PNP Regional Command shall be the PNP Crisis Management or Philippine National Crisis Management Force for that regions. The regional director in the police member is the regional CMC. Next is in provincial. The PNP local command assigned to the provincial shall be the PNP Crisis Management Force for that province.
City Municipal. The Chief of Police assigned to a city municipality shall be the PNP Crisis Management Force for that city municipality. The CAP typically heads the crisis management team, which includes representatives from various units within the police force and other relevant agencies. PNP National Support Units or or NSU assigned in any of the foregoing levels or near thereto may be designated as PNP Tactical Action Intervention Units in their crisis management organization at the lower level. Regional. The Philippine Army or P8 division assigned to a region shall be the Philippine Army Crisis Management Force for the region. Provincial. The PA Brigade assigned to province or nearest to province shall be the PA Crisis Management